What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now you can see that we are totally done with the menus and other stuff, and this is how our website is looking right here. So I basically want to change the font of this. Instead of adding a logo, I want to change the font because it is my personal website and I don't think so if logo is gonna look great or this. So I'm just gonna go to change the font right here and work with it. So basically we have worked with the homepage settings right now. You can see that we have our homepage to be this and a blog page to be this. And now here we have to move on with general options. So in the general options we have the general styling. We have primary color, hover primary color, main border color. We have our site background, background image, and links color. So we don't have to work with this right now. We will first design our website right here, the main content. We'll design our whole website and then we will be working up with general styling. So we have general settings as well. We don't have to work with this right now as well, okay? I'm gonna go back. And here we have the title right here. So we don't have to work on it as well, okay? So I'm gonna go back, and this is the one that we have. Scroll to top. We don't have to work with these settings right now. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go to the typography basically, and here we have the general settings. So we have the font subsets, we have the body, and we have, so basically we want to work with a logo. In the body section we're going to be using a plugin to make everything look amazing, but first we have to work with the logo. So we have the logo right here. This is basically a text. I want to change the font to be amazing, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to choose this, and I'm going to go down. Just use your keyboard to change your font. So then your font is going to be changed when you click this. So choose a font that suits yourself. Basically, when you are creating your own personal website, just try to be yourself, okay? So let's go down. This looks great, okay? I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna just increase the font size, okay? And the line height should be decreased a bit, okay? And I'm going to increase the font size. There you go. I'm going to increase a little bit of line height. So what is the line height basically? You can see that if I increase it, you can see the page size is increasing. So this is basically called line height. Then how much height you want to give from this side and this side. Okay, this is called the line. So let's suppose that this is a line. Okay, and how much size height you want to give from here to here. And you can see that our website is already gaining some stuff. Okay, our website is already looking amazing. So I'm gonna just decrease a bit of line height. Okay, and then we have the letter spacing, how much spacing you want to give. So I don't think so if I need to give so much spacing. 0 is better. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit publish. Okay, we are done with this section. We're done with this section. And now let's come here. Let's go back. And let's come here to the top bar. So here in the top bar, we have to go to the general. And we have to enable the top bar. So if you want to enable this section, you can enable it. And you want to go with the top bar full width. So if you want the top bar to be full width, you can also set it. You can see that this is now full width. I'm going to select this because I want it to be a boxed, and it will be shown on all devices. So if you want to hide on mobile devices, you can also hide it. Okay, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go to the content, and here we go. So I need to paste my content right here. I need to basically add something. So first of all, I want to add the phone number. So for phone number, I need an icon. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit phone icon HTML font awesome. Okay, font awesome. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit this, and here I have the font awesome. I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna basically copy this. So this is the website that says fontawesome.io. If you want to add any font, what you have to do, you have to just come here, okay, and then you have to, where's the search tab? Okay, let's come here to icons, and here you can search. Okay, so if you want to add phone, you can search it. And there you go. You can add any of the phone icon. So you can add any phone icon. I'm gonna go ahead. I need just basically this icon. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna hit copy. Oh, basically I want to select all, and I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna paste it. Here we go. This is coming right here, and after that I have to enter my phone numbers. That is going to be +123 plus 9233 337 035 2297. Okay, so you can see that I have added my phone number. I'm gonna give some space. Okay, this is looking cool. Now I need email, so I'm gonna go to icons back, and I need to search here email. Okay, and here you can add any of the envelope icon. So I need this one. Let's come here and let's paste it after that. So I need to give some more spacing. How to give the spacing? And NBSP. Okay, so you basically need to enter this end NBSP to give more spacing if you want to. This is a code basically used for giving some more space, okay? And now here is the envelope. I need to enter my email address. So this should be info@itanzeal.com. I need to give one single spacing right here. Okay, this looks cool. If you want to add that dark envelope, you can also add that dark envelope. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit this email because that is not matching my site, because I have used the dark one right here, so I should be using the dark one right here as well. Okay, I basically want to remove this O right here, so this is now dark. So this is how we have the phone number right here, and we have the email address. So everything is looking cool till here. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit publish right here. So you can see that this is how my website is designed. Everything is ready from here, top bar. We can color it anyhow we want. We can change the color, we can change the link color, we can change the background color, text color, and everything. Okay, so if I want to change the background color, I can just come here, we can choose it to be dark blue, and here we go. We can just come here to now text color, and we can change it to be white. So you can see how this is looking. So this is how you can change it. But we will be moving on with this later on when we will design our website completely. But I think this is already looking cool, so just leave it. Okay, let's go back. And then we have the social icons, so we can show our social icons right here if you want to show. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add the Twitter. For Twitter, I'm gonna add a hash. So you have to create your social profiles, and then you can add them. So here as well, Facebook, Google Plus, and Instagram, and LinkedIn. Okay, let's go back. Let's go to the general options, and we have the link color. So you can choose the link color as well. I'm gonna select this to be white as well. Okay, the border color should be white. And here we go. You can see how this is looking. So now let's go back and let's go to social right here. So for social links, I think I should choose it to be black, or I think black looks cool. Or we can also go with the purple. Purple is not looking cool. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit black, or yes, black, and on hover it should turn to white. So now you're gonna see how this is gonna look. So if I just bring my mouse, it is changing to white. So you can see how amazing this is looking. Okay, you can shift it, you can make this black, and you can make this white. Okay, you can see how this is changing. So this is giving a great effect. Seriously, I'm in love with this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit publish, and now you can see that we are totally done with the top bar. We're also done with the menu bar, and now we have to work on with our content area. So same like that, we have our header. In the header, we can manage everything from here. Okay, but we'll be doing that after when we will design this, or just we'll design this header section right here, and then we'll design this. So stay tuned, guys, and bye bye.